Hi, this is Jedi's for Jesus, and today I just wanted to show you, me and my wife want to eat a little bit more healthier, and it's like sometimes going out to the market and buying all the different ingredients for a certain recipe. Decided my niece and then my sister were telling me about HelloFresh, and I kept on seeing it on Facebook advertising, so we started getting a box, and it's like you can get like 4 to 5 meals a week. Sometimes you could even get 3, but what we ended up doing is every other week we get a box, and it's about usually 4 to 5 meals. So we don't go through the 4 or 5 meals throughout the whole week, and it goes into the second week. Problem sometimes with that going on to the second week is some of the produce and stuff like that might go bad. So you got to be careful on what you're going to go ahead and use first and use last. So here's the box. I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you what's inside. They package it really good. So when you first open it up, you see that there's all the recipe cards, and it's really good and everything like that. It shows a picture, the ingredients, and then you do have to sometimes have your own ingredients that you have to add, like butter, olive oil, and stuff like that. That does not come in the bag, which I'll show you. But so we got this time, each meal comes on a card, and great directions on how to make it and everything on the back side, and how it should look. Like I said, this time we went ahead and got I think 5 meals this time around. Yep, 5 meals. And on the meals that we've gotten, it's like sometimes the fish costs you a little extra, or the steak might cost you a little extra. The meals run around for 2. The meals are somewhere around $20 for 2 people, which is reasonable. And a lot of times, like the soup here, this one right here, this will actually sometimes, it's enough to feed 3 people. So you'll have some leftovers on this one. But on this, we have fish, which was extra, steak, and then we have tilapia. I don't think that was extra. And then we also have we have trout, and that was extra. So really good. So they give you coupons and stuff like that to give to other people. They package it up in this great, this stuff, insulation. And then inside, go ahead and show you. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. So they have this great ice pack right here that to put it on top. And it basically recommends that with that ice pack you go ahead and defrost it and put it down the drain, but what I do is I just go ahead and make it defrost in the sink, and then I go ahead and just throw it in the garbage. I don't want to put that, it's kind of like liquidy, thick liquid, and I don't want to put that into the down the drain, and then it goes to our sewer plants and stuff like that. So this is what it comes in, like something like this, the bag, and all the ingredients are in here. So we have 5 of these. So I'm going to go ahead and just put them over here on the table. So of course when this stuff comes, your refrigerator better be somewhat not that full. Another piece of cardboard. And then we actually got another one of these. Sometimes they only have one in here, but got two of them. And they're pretty solid frozen. Now on the bottom, we have all our fish and meat down there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they sealed airtight. So we got the trout, we got the salmon, and we got the sweet Italian chicken sausage mix, and then we got our beef, and last but not least we got the fish, the tilapia. And then you could take this out and do, whatever, throw it away, or you could recycle it to package something else. And then we got a nice, hefty, strong box. So if you want to go ahead and click on this video right here, you could go ahead and watch me prepare one of these meals and see how it looks when it comes out. Thank you. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.